Hello students, good morning. Hope all are you doing well. Last session we discussed about handling data. Today we will continue the same topic but with the group data. Last section we discussed about only the single data and this we are discussing about group data. Okay. So mean from the frequency table. So we have to know some words: mean, median, model class, range, frequency and group estimate. First we will discuss mean of a group data. So there is a formula we have to find. X bar is equal to sigma fx by n. According to you this is a new format, but we know all the terms. It is coming in a new format only. But the terms and conditions we know. X bar means the mean, f means frequency, x means the midpoint, n means the total and sigma fx means the sum of all the things. Okay, so no problem, we will discuss with each example. So okay, we will make it more clear. There is an example. Frequency table shows the pupil age, find the mean. Okay, age, there are 4 groups are there, 8 to 19, they make it 4 different groups and then you can see the frequency. Okay, what is the first method? First method we have to find the midpoint of the age group. 8 to 10, 11 to 13, 14 to 16, 17 to 19. We have to find the midpoint. How to find the midpoint of this age? Okay, so we have two number 8 and 10. 8 to 10. Okay, you just add the number 8 plus 10, then divide by 2. Okay, so you will get 9. Next one 11 plus 13 divided by 2. 14 plus 16 divided by 2. 17 plus 19 divided by 2. So midpoint means adding the number divided by 2 for all the questions. Okay, so we got midpoint. Okay, after getting midpoint, what we have to do? We have to multiply the midpoint with the frequency. The different color make you more clear idea. So okay, midpoint with the frequency. Frequency we are not denoted by f. Midpoint is x. Okay, so we have to find fx, the new box. So 12 multiply 9, 25 multiply 12, 37 multiply 15, 14 multiply 80. That is f of x. Okay, first method you have to find the midpoint. Second method, after getting midpoint, you multiply midpoint with the frequency. Okay, next one, you have to find the total of the frequency. So you have got here 108, 300, 555, 252. You add all the number, you will get 1215. Okay, so next step, you have to find the total of the frequency. 12, 25, 37, 14, you got 88. Okay, so next one, the last step, 1215 divided by 88 is equal to 13.8. Follow the steps. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps are there. Then last step, division. Okay, so make it more clear. We will use the thing in at a stretch. Okay, look at this question. There, the question is deals with some airport. Airport 55 aircraft are arrived late. Okay, 0 to 10 minute, okay, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 50 to 60. So frequency is there. So we have to find the midpoint of the data. 0 to 10. So you plus the number 0 plus 10 divided by 2. You will get 5. Okay. So this is the way you have to complete all the midpoint. After midpoint finish, you multiply frequency with the midpoint. So this is the way you will complete this one. Okay, then find the frequency, find the total, then divide. This is the way of finding mean. So next example. Okay, this group data into 6 interval and the width is 10. Okay, so which is the highest frequency here? 27. Okay, we'll see. Mode of group data. Mode of group data is the class with highest frequency. Okay, so for the single data, what is mode? The number which repeated more times. For the group data, what is the mode or model class? The class with the highest frequency. You will see now. Okay, so here the same question. So airport 25 aircrafts are arrived late. The means lates are there and frequency is there. Look at the frequency. Which is the highest frequency here? 27 is the highest frequency. Okay, so 27 comes in which group? 0 to 10. Okay, so 27 is the highest frequency. Our answer of model class is equal to 0 to 10. Mean. How to find the mean? Mean class is cumulative frequency just greater than n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, so this is the way we have to write the cumulative frequency. Cappuccinos are there and the frequency is given. How to find cumulative frequency? Cumulative frequency. First frequency you can write the same way. We have the frequency 2. We can start with the 2. Then look at the arrow mark, zigzag line. So adding the numbers 2 plus 3. You got 5. 5 plus 8. 13. Okay, good. 13 plus 3, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. Okay, so you have to complete the cumulative frequency for finding median. Then, so you have to find the total number plus 1 divided by 2. Total number is 18. 18 plus 1 divided by 2, that is 9.5. Then, which is your answer? We will see now. 9.5 is coming occur in the interval of 8 to 11. Look at there in the cumulative frequency. 9.5 is coming in the third group, cumulative 13. So, okay, here you can see 9.5. So, which group? 8 to 11. So, median class is 8 to 11. Okay, so look at the frequency. Please add the total number 18 plus 1 divided by 2. You got 9.5. 9.5 is coming in which cumulative frequency? Take that one and see the group. Okay, so here the same example, we will find cumulative frequency of this one. Okay, so how we can find the cumulative frequency? Adding the frequencies one by one. So, okay, normally we will write first frequency 27, write 27. Then 27 plus 10, you got 37. Then 37 plus 7, 44. Okay, 44 plus 5, 49 plus 4, 55, 53 plus 2. Okay. Then what is the total? Total is given in the question, it is 55. 55 plus 1 by 2 is 28. Look at in the frequency. Cumulative frequency. 28 is coming. Which section? Yes, number 2. That is cumulative frequency. First one is only 27. We need 28. Okay. So, second group. In second group, yeah, 10 to 20. Okay, so our model class, sorry, median class is 10 to 20. Okay, so we have another one. What is the class interval here? 1 to 5, 6 to 10, that is 4. Okay, so we have to find the midpoint. We know that how to find the midpoint, adding the number and divide by 2. Then multiply with the frequency. You have to find the total, divide the number, you got mean. Okay, so here which is the model class, whom highest frequency is 25. Okay, so 26 to 30. 26 to 30 is the model class. So, okay, every time you can see which is the highest frequency, write the group. This is the question, and how we can find the cumulative frequency. You just revise the method and find the how to find the mean. Okay, so okay, next one also one example. This is the last example. I think we can see how we can find the midpoint. Then find midpoint with the frequency. Then cumulative frequency. You can find the total of frequency and total of f into x. Okay, so we finished, every box is finished. Then finding the values. First one, mean. Mean means 635 divided by 25. Okay, so how we can find the model class? Look at the frequency. Highest frequency is, yes, 9. Okay, so the group is 20 to 30. Okay, finish. Then last one is median. How can find the median? The total frequency plus 1 divided by 2, that is 13. Okay, look at the frequency. Where 13 is coming? In the third group, 17. Okay, inside the 17, third. Okay, so the group is 20 to 30. So this is the way you have to complete the box, mean, model and median. Okay, so this is another example. You can practice very well. It's every steps are clear. Midpoint cumulative frequency is not written there, but you can find that the model class and median class. Okay, so this is the question for you to complete. Hope you all are understand this topic well. Thank you for watching. You will get worksheets there. Please do it and send it.